We're here for the Seatopia Tiny Galley. I'm Cody Tesnow, aka the Gourmet Guy Gene. Like, what am I, Jesus? Am I supposed to multiply this? Oh, wow, I almost lost a finger. Don't try this at home, kids. This much. It's the right amount. It's always the right amount. Whatever you say is the right amount is the right amount. I know you gotta build flavors and I don't do any of that. Hasn't failed me yet. Oh, hell, that's delicious. You don't have to do this. You can put the in the bowl and just eat it. Oh, we must make it beautiful. Put that sauce on those things in that pan. It's gonna be delicious. That's gonna taste like garbage. It's a lie. It's gonna be really good. Look at them bastards. Woo! Maybe it's not the way it's always been done, but it's the way I do it because it's faster and delicious.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right.
All right, cut in.
I got